Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks great. You do have that sport hood on it as well. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille, projector style headlights there, and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great still. Let's try that flat on those tires as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors here with the turning signal. Now they are the tow mirrors, so you just got to push them up like this, and they do that, and they let you see even more. Looks great. You do also have your running boards along the bottom, and you do have a 5-foot box back here with the cover on it as well, keeping all your stuff nice and safe. Dual exhaust pipes with your parking sensors and your backup camera right there. Open it up just like this. Now it does have the guy to make it fall nice and slow and nice and soft. Now you do also have lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and it looks great. We got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. We do have 2 presses to activate our remote start as well. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for you. Okay, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You have the chrome accenting on the handle here, some storage here, and some more down here. Looks great in here as well. The leather seats are very comfortable. You do also have the controls over your seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then up here we do have the controls over our lights. So our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press them in, you got your fog lights and your in-cabin light control here. And then up here we do also have the controls over the turning signals, our windshield wipers, and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our oil and our battery life up there. In the center we do have our average liters per 100 kilometers. We have the temperature outside and how many kilometers we have, 60,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that around to your vehicle info. You also have your fuel economy, your trip A and B. You have your trailer tow options, your audio, your stored messages, your screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you do have volume up and down, as well as the source changer, and on the other side there is a channel changer. Now right in the center here we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM here. You have your media tab if you have one hooked up through aux cord, USB, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls over heated or vented seats, your heated steering wheel, and the same for the other side, as well as your mirror dimmer and your backup camera. You got your Uconnect apps there, your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your navigation right over here, and if you hit view map, you can see we are on Recreation Place, of course. And then you got your phone options right here. When you are in reverse, you get the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. That gear shift is just right here with your 4-wheel auto, lock, low, and your 2-wheel. And then in the center you do have your volume control, so volume up and down with the mute. You also have your screen off right here, your hazard lights, back button, and your tuner and browser. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off, auto, your defrost there. And then down here we do have our trailer brake. You have your traction control, tow and haul mode, your park sensors, heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, and same for the other side. Some storage just in here, storage in here with a place for your phone, and you got your cup holders right here. You do also have some storage in here underneath your armrest with an SD card slot and an aux cord, as well as 2 USB plugins. You can lift this up and you got some room just underneath there as well. And then just over here we do have our top layer for our glove box, as well as our bottom layer right there. Up top we do have the controls over the sunroof. We have this guy for the little window in the back, and the universal garage door opener there. And you do have your sunroof. Looks fantastic. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have that same chrome accenting on your handle. You have the control of your windows, handle here, storage, and some more down here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front. Very comfortable. Gotta love those leather seats. You can fold this down and you do have your armrest with some cup holders. You can also lift this up just like this, and you got some storage just underneath there. Underneath that one is a subwoofer. Underneath here, you can just fold that like that, and fold that flat, and you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And you do have a bit of additional storage just underneath here as well. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.